The open source AI classroom. How to use free, transparent models for safe learning. Welcome to the AI Conspiracy Exposed. Imagine a classroom where artificial intelligence helps every student learn safely, creatively, and for free. Open source AI is making this possible, giving teachers and learners transparent, adaptable tools. Today, we're exploring how these free AI models are transforming education, helping students understand complex concepts, experiment with ideas, and learn safely, all while making classrooms smarter and more engaging than ever. 1. What is open source AI? When most people think of AI, they imagine secret algorithms controlled by tech giants. But open source AI is different. These models are free, transparent, and accessible to anyone. Think of it as a giant digital toolkit for learning, where students, teachers, and developers can access, modify, and even improve the AI themselves. Open source AI isn't just about saving money, it's about empowerment. Students don't just use tools, they explore them. They can see how an AI responds, how it processes information, and even why it sometimes makes mistakes. This transparency builds trust and curiosity. For teachers, open source AI is a practical resource. Imagine a high school teacher struggling to provide personalized attention to every student. By using AI-powered assistance, the teacher can offer individualized explanations, adaptive learning tasks, and interactive exercises that would be impossible in a traditional setting. 2. Safety and trust in open source AI. One of the main concerns about using AI in education is safety. Many closed AI systems generate inaccurate, biased, or inappropriate outputs. Open source AI addresses this by being transparent and customizable. Teachers can monitor, adjust, and guide the AI to ensure safe learning experiences. For example, a student using an AI tutor for history or science can receive explanations backed by verified data. If the AI outputs an error, the teacher can correct it and even teach students why the AI made a mistake. This approach fosters critical thinking and digital literacy, helping students understand both the content and the tools they're using. Community involvement adds another safety layer. Open source AI is supported by a global network of developers who continuously review models, suggest improvements, and identify risks. Schools can leverage this collaborative system, making AI-powered learning both innovative and secure. 3. Free tools for the classroom. Another major advantage of open source AI is cost-effectiveness. Many models and tools are completely free, making advanced AI accessible even to schools with limited budgets. Teachers can use AI for tutoring, homework assistance, coding support, art projects, and language learning. Some popular open source platforms include Hugging Face, GPT-4all, and Open Assistant, offering ready-to-use models for classrooms. Students can interact with these AI systems for brainstorming essays, solving math problems, creating science experiments, or exploring coding exercises. Customization is key. Teachers can modify models to meet specific needs. For instance, a literature teacher might use AI to analyze text, suggest essay topics, or generate discussion questions. In a math class, AI can provide step-by-step explanations, helping students understand problem-solving strategies rather than just giving answers. 4. Teaching students. How AI works. Open source AI isn't just a learning tool, it's a teaching opportunity. Because models are transparent, students can learn how AI works, why it sometimes makes mistakes, and how to improve it. In coding classes, students can explore neural networks, algorithms, and data sets through hands-on projects. They can see how AI analyzes patterns, predicts outcomes, and generates answers. This demystifies AI, showing students that it's not magic. It's a set of logical processes and programming decisions. Understanding AI builds critical thinking and ethical awareness. Students learn to question outputs, recognize biases, and consider social implications. For example, when AI misrepresents historical facts or generates culturally insensitive content, students can analyze why it happened and suggest fixes. This approach ensures that students are not passive consumers of technology. They become active participants, learning both the subject matter and the inner workings of the AI. By combining transparency, interactivity, and problem-solving, open source AI creates a new kind of education, one where curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking thrive. 5. How teachers can implement open source AI. Implementing open source AI doesn't have to be complicated. Teachers can start by identifying classroom needs. Do students need tutoring, creative prompts, coding assistance? Once the goal is clear, teachers can select an open source AI model that aligns with their objectives. Next, customization is essential. Educators can adjust the model's responses, filter inappropriate content, and provide context to improve accuracy. For younger students, AI can be set to use simple language. For older students, it can handle complex explanations and advanced problem solving. Integration can be gradual. Teachers can start with small exercises, AI-assisted essays, math problem walkthroughs, or virtual science experiments. Over time, the AI becomes a classroom assistant, helping students learn independently while the teacher focuses on guidance and mentorship. It's also important to teach students responsible AI use. Encourage them to verify information, think critically, and understand AI's limitations. This approach ensures that AI supports learning without replacing essential human judgment. 6. Real-world applications. Schools around the world are already using open-source AI in exciting ways. Language classes use AI chatbots for conversational practice, helping students improve fluency without fear of mistakes. Coding classes rely on AI for debugging and code suggestions, allowing students to focus on problem solving. In science labs, AI assists with experiment planning, data analysis, and visualization, making complex concepts easier to grasp. Art students use AI-generated images or music prompts to spark creativity and explore new ideas. These examples highlight the versatility of open-source AI. It can be applied across subjects, age groups, and educational contexts. It's not just a tool, it's a partner in learning that encourages exploration, creativity, and collaboration. 7. The future of open source AI in education. The potential of open source AI in classrooms is limitless. Future models could provide fully interactive tutors, personalized lesson plans, and adaptive learning experiences tailored to each student's pace and learning style. Because open source AI evolves with community contributions, it improves rapidly. Developers, educators, and students collaborate to make models smarter, safer, and more effective. Transparency ensures that innovation does not compromise ethics or safety. The ultimate vision is a classroom where AI enhances learning, supports teachers, and empowers students. Open source tools make this vision accessible to all, ensuring education remains inclusive, equitable, and forward-thinking. By adopting open source AI today, schools are laying the foundation for a smarter, safer, and more innovative future. Like, share, and subscribe.